Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to make a TikTok video with pictures and post it to your account? In this video, I'll show you the steps on how to make a TikTok video using your pictures. Let's go. TikTok introduced a new feature that lets you make a video with pictures only. To create, click on the plus icon below. This will take you to an editor screen, and to add pictures, tap the upload icon at the bottom right. You can choose more pictures by clicking the Select Multiple option. A maximum of 35 pictures or video clips can be added to a single TikTok video. With that, you can perfectly pick out your desired photos. The right side of the screen contains the editing tools for creating the video. To edit the duration, order, or transition of each picture, click the Edit icon. Here, you can pick a clip and add effects that best suit the entire video. After adding effects and fixing the music, a few more steps to post your video. You can add more details like creating a title, using a hashtag to gain more views, or arrange the cover. Once done, share your video with your followers by clicking Post. It will only take seconds or minutes to upload your video. Go to your profile and view your video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.